In this video, I'm going to show you how to sound design a böhmer style melodic house pad sound using Diva. To begin with, we are going to choose Mini Poly from the presets. Next, we are going to select the triangle waveform for the first oscillator and turn it down an octave. For the second oscillator, we will set it somewhere between the pulse and square waveform. Next, turn up the second oscillator volume to 100. Moving on to the envelopes, make sure you select analog envelope. For the first envelope, add a bit of attack, decay, also a bit more sustain and some release. For the second envelope, add more of attack, more than 50%, decay, also sustain, and some release. Next, under the filter section, increase a bit of envelope 2 and reduce the cutoff below 50%. Next, under LFO2, select 1/4. And go to the pan section and increase a bit of pan mod and increase a bit of volume. Also, don't forget to play around with filter cutoff. For this patch, make sure you select Dual VCO. Next, select Saw Wave for VCO1 and Saw Wave and Sine for VCO2, and put the VCO 1 octave higher. Next, reduce the pulse width. Next, turn the mix level a bit towards VCO1. Next, select Analog Envelope, and increase the attack and release to 50%. Also, increase a bit of key flow. Next, select Cascade Filter, and reduce the cutoff a bit, and select Clean and also increase the key flow. Next, select High Pass Filter, pre and increase the frequency. Next, under Tuning, make sure you set the transpose to 0. Next, for the effect, select Classic Chorus and reduce the depth and rate. Next, select Reverb and copy these exact settings. And there you have it, a böhmer style melodic house pad sound.